Hey, what's up everybody? This is Riyad here, and in this video, we're just gonna talk about the tile set that we're gonna put on the level, and also I've did like some quick changes for the game. So as you can see, I've got rid of the input message asking us for the name. So instead, we can like directly type our name in here, okay? And when we press enter, we go to the next menu. Don't worry, I'll show you like everything I did for that, and also I've changed a little bit of the way we display the characters or the character select menu. So now if I run another instance, I haven't like messed with the server nor the client, so it's all done with the menu itself or the Draw GUI event. So this is like the second client. Join the game. So as you can see, the wizard is big and it turns gray in here, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. Everything still works the same. So here's what I did. So in the obj menu, so this is like the menu. Where is it? Obj menu. Okay. Um, Events. So in the create event, I've added like this variable picking name, which is gonna be true at first, and in the step event, so we're just checking are we picking the name. If that's the case, then global name will be equals to keyboard sync that will allow us to like input our name using like our keyboard without asking the user for like that pop-up message. And when we press enter, then picking name will be false, allowing us to do the control the menu and stuff. Now in the draw GUI, all you need to do is in case we're drawing in case if we are picking the name, then we just need to draw like this text, pick your name and the name itself. Otherwise, we're just going to draw the menu, and that's pretty much it for like the menu. It's pretty simple stuff. And for the client, I mean, yeah, for the client, so in the create event, I've added just an image speed, which is zero point 0.1 at the moment, even though it doesn't have sprite, but it's gonna make sense in a bit. So in the draw GUI event, I've well, first of all, you need to know that I also added like if keyboard check pressed VK up, that we're gonna increase character by -3, and if keyboard check VK down, we're gonna increase by 3. Okay. So I've added these two commands here, and in the draw GUI, so this is like the way we display the new menus. As you can see, I still have the text. Same thing here with the sprite. So I've added an offset, which is now like a quarter of the room, because we're drawing like two lines of characters. So now I'm just drawing here a sprite, which is SPR box. This is just like this is optional. You don't have to do it, but yeah. So I'm also like drawing the sprite of the character. Here are the positions if you wanna do the same thing. So we have offset plus offset times I modulo 3. Okay, so this allows us to draw the first three characters in the first line and the three second characters in the second line, and that's pretty much it. Um, so these are the positions that we need to do. Now for the image blend, if the character is picked, I've chose to like change the blend to gray, otherwise it's gonna be white the same. And I've did like the same thing with the sub image. Now the sub image of if we are picking the character, then we're gonna give it like some animation. So in that case, we're giving it like image index. This is why I've put image speed equals zero point 0.1, and that's pretty much it. I've also added like this here. Um, if the character is picked, we're just gonna draw picked under the character sprite, and that's pretty much it. Nothing nothing too big. Yeah, so that's about it. Now for the menu, or I mean, sorry, for the tile set, I've imported the tile set. I'll provide a link in the description if you wanna use it. So this is just a simple sprite. Now I'm gonna go ahead and create a tile set. Let's choose the sprite SPR tile set, SPR tile set, or just limit like tile set. Okay. Now we're only going to need like this bit of it, like this part. You can see if you can add some animations if you want to. So let's go ahead and do that actually. So it's gonna be okay. So it's add animation for it has like four sub images. So let's pick this water thingy or lava thingy. Okay, second one, third one, and that's pretty much it. Let's give it a name like lava sink or something. Can do the same thing with the water, but I'm not gonna do it now. So let's just go to our room, the game, and so here's how it's gonna work. So this like is yeah, this is the game. All right. Now let's go ahead and create layer instance, or sorry, a tile instance layer, and let's give it a name. So this is gonna be like floor or tile floor. Okay, so in this tile set layer, we're just gonna choose the floor. So this is like the main floor, and we have like some cracked ones and stuff. So we can actually increase the size here. So just to paint a little bit faster. Okay, that will do. Um, yep, that's pretty much it. Now we can grab some um, cracked floors and put them randomly there. Oh wait, wait, oh my god, okay, I forgot to change the brush size. Okay, so make sure to change this back to 1, alright, and now we can place these cracked floors randomly. Okay, maybe these ones. Okay, let's make like a big hole in here. So it's gonna be like this, and maybe this here, that. Yeah, that looks good enough, I would say. Okay, now so we have this is a layer for the floor. Now let's make another layer, and let's call it walls. Oh, changing the okay. So tile walls. Let's pick the same tile set and let's get going. So let's just go like this. So I'm just gonna add like a bunch of walls in here. It's up to you how you want to make like your level design. So I'm probably just gonna fast forward this part of the video and okay, so that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna like leave this simple design for now, and probably gonna like um, modify it later, but this will get the job done. So what we need to do now is I've, I'm gonna create a sprite. I'm gonna name it solid. Okay, and let's go ahead and change the size of this to like 32. This should be good. Go edit image, use black, and that's it. Now let's go create an object. Gonna name this obj solid. Okay, make sure it is in fact solid and give it this sprite. Now what you need to do is you need to go back to the menu, I mean sorry, the room, which I changed the name of. Okay, game, and now here's what we're gonna do. Okay, make sure that the okay, make sure that the instances layer is between the floor and the walls. Okay, that's the first thing that you need to do. And I'm gonna create another instance layer from here, and I'm gonna name this solid or something, I don't know, like solid. And make sure it is below everything. Okay, but for now let's put it on top of the wall so that we can see that what we are covering with it. So in here we're just gonna make sure that you're selecting the solid layer and pick up the wall object, and well, let me change the grid here to 16. Okay, so now I can pick the object and make sure to cover the walls with it. Now one, I'm probably gonna like change this later, but yeah, for now this will do for now, even though it's not like perfect. It's pretty bad, but you know, it's better than having like a black room with nothing around. Okay, so I may even get rid of these things, but okay, so now that we are done, let's put this back on um, below the tile sets. Okay, so now we're just going to um, actually let's just run the game and see how it looks. And in the next video we're probably gonna add more player control and collisions and stuff, maybe even a chat system. We'll see. Okay, so here's the game. Let's input a name for it, create game, select the character, and yeah. So yeah, it's better than nothing, honestly. um yeah, we may just the only thing that we may need to do is um with the tile set, I think I need to change the animation speed here, if there is an option for that. Yeah, this should be like 4 or something. Yeah, 4 is fine. So that's it for today, guys. In the next video we're gonna add more movement commands to our players. Maybe like zoom in a little bit, because for now it's too zoomed out and we can't like really see the players well, or like the walls and stuff. So we're gonna be working on that in the next video, maybe even add a chat system. And yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. Peace.